Gucci and Versace. Said I'm pretty like Tanashi. I don't really want no fun. Hey yo.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everything is Gucci and I'm Michael Kors. So today we're gonna be doing something very different that I never do, but we're gonna do a makeup look, and I thought it'd be fun. So I'm not allowed to wear makeup, so let's just point that out. I'm 14 years old. Can't wear it till I'm 16, which is y'all, I just said I'm 14. Oh my god. I'm 15. I don't even know how old I am apparently, but I'm 15 and I can wear makeup next year, but I'm probably not still, but I got my mirror. Ooh. So I got this NYC Smooth Skin Protecting Primer. I'm just gonna put that all over my face.
I'm just gonna rub that in.
And I'm done rubbing that in. Also, how's y'all's days been going? It's Thanksgiving break, so which means we have a week out. So yeah, hashtag turkey season, guys. So and then I'm gonna I already took it off, but I'm gonna use this what is it? MAC. Oh my god, I can't speak today, y'all. But I'm gonna use this MAC foundation. I'm gonna apply with this sponge. And some people are like, no, can't believe you're applying it with this sponge. But guess what? I am. So yeah. Also, if you're wondering what these things are, they're like bamboo sticks, and I don't know. I seriously don't know why. Also, I have really bad acne, guys, so you're gonna have to just like ignore that. Okay, so now that's all blended out and I look like the orange, we're gonna go in with the matte pressed powder. I hit the pan on this, but we're gonna go in with that, and we're just gonna, you know, put that all over my face and get a powder brush. And I don't know what these brushes are from. Oh, they're by Icing, so get you a set. So I'm gonna do my brows, but I'm gonna do those off camera because I suck at brows. So see you back when my brows are done. Okay, I did my brows. They look terrible, but you know, it's all good. And I use the Anastasia Dip Brow. We're going for a soft glam look, obviously. So we're gonna use some colors in here, then we're gonna use some of my loose powders. I mean my loose eyeshadows. One with this, what color did I just use? This tan color right here. I'm gonna put that all over the lid. Well, I wanna know how school has been going for some of you guys. My school year has been something. I hope if your year's been going bad, I hope it gets better for you guys. Honestly, I'm like hoping and praying that mine gets better, because we can't be having this. So I put this dark shade, as y'all can tell, like that. This is gonna be like a look that like it's either gonna turn out really bad, guys, or really good. So I hope it turns out pretty good. So yeah, and I'm gonna be using a shade that I've never used before, and I'm really scared. This is by ColourPop. This is a shade, so beautiful, and it's Be Our Guest. It's from the Disney brand. So I'm gonna be packing that on my lid. Some of y'all beauty girls are out there. Whoa, okay. Oh my god, this is really pigmented. Oh my god. I should do a cut crease. Oh, you know what, guys? I'm doing a cut crease. If y'all can hear that TV in the background, my sister's watching that new show about like Sabrina or something, like on Netflix. So, oh, it looks bad, guys, but I promise it's gonna look better. Also, guys, I'm thinking about, ooh, that does not look good. You know what? It's just gonna look bad for right now, and we're hopefully this looks good, because honestly if it doesn't, I'm gonna be pretty screwed. So also, guys, I'm thinking about doing vlogmas, like actually doing it this year. Why did I, oh, Krystina, come on now. But I'm really thinking about doing vlogmas this year, like actually completing it. So let me know if I should do it this year, guys, because I really don't know. I wanted to continue it last year, but I didn't realize how freaking busy I was gonna be in vlogmas. I mean, in vlogmas, like, I realized how freaking busy I was gonna be in freaking July. I mean, words in December. It never occurred to me, like, oh, Krystina, you know, you're gonna be busy December, so maybe doing vlogs. This music's a little challenging this year, if I do say so myself. Last year's music was pretty easy. This year, oh, whew. Okay, we're done with that because I suck at makeup. So, we're done with the eyes. Okay, we're not even gonna talk about how bad this is, but okay. Put some freaking blush on. Mom, okay, I can't with this anymore, like, honestly. Okay, yeah, no. So, I'm done with that. Now I'm about to put some bronzer on. So after I was rudely interrupted by my entire family coming in the kitchen, because the kitchen has the best lighting, but I applied some highlighter, and I'm about to do my mascara, and then I'll be done. But I'm using this 2-in-1 stuff, this eyelash primer, and then I use this. So I came outside to like get better lighting and show you y'all. Oh my god, it actually looks kind of okay. I'm kind of proud. My dad thinks it looks good. My mom thinks it looks good. My sister thinks it looks good. Do you guys think it looks good? Give this a thumbs up if you think it looks good. I think it's okay. Oh my god, y'all, I never done a makeup tutorial. Peep the highlight, like. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Make sure you follow my socials at Krystina Charles. It'll be down in the description. Also let me know if I should do Vlogmas. And shout out goes to Kristen and Anthony. Thanks so much for commenting. Oh my god, I can't talk. Thanks so much for commenting on my last video and my Halloween vlog. Also, if you haven't watched the Halloween vlog, you should definitely go check that out. Thank you guys. Have an amazing day. Peace.